feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
The easiest way to memorize electron configuration is by using the periodic table as a map and learning the Aufbau principle, which states that electrons fill orbitals starting from the lowest energy level to the highest. Remember the order of orbitals as 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, etc. Mnemonics can help remember the order, and practicing by writing out configurations for different elements solidifies understanding. Additionally, visual aids like periodic table charts can offer valuable shortcuts and insights, making memorization more manageable.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.